Hi class, in this video I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to utilize the Mashups toolbar in your discussion posts and even some of your assignments for class. Once you have your discussion post open, as you'll see here, there's a Mashups toolbar at the top. Click the drop down arrow in the YouTube video. Once the YouTube video toolbar pops up for you to, or search bar for you to find your video, type in the video that you named on YouTube. Make sure you remember the exact name. Often if you start with something like Pesh 381 or your name, that's an easy way for you to remember. And click go. Your video will pull up, hit select, scroll to the bottom, and you will hit submit. And your video is now embedded within the discussion post. The reason why this is preferable over a link or even embedding your video directly from your computer is it will eliminate the need for a download. So I do not want to download 20 different videos to my computer just to watch one assignment. By using the Mashups toolbar in YouTube, I can watch the video directly inside the discussion post without the need for downloading to my computer. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this helps.